This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Beebe Healthcare.
Well, CoastLife, if you remember a few weeks ago, we were chatting with our friends from Beebe Healthcare about Epic. It's a new system that they've launched, and it's so cool, and it really helps streamline your healthcare when you're being treated by folks at Beebe Healthcare. But to dive a little bit deeper into it and how it's going, we've got Dr. Tam and Dr. Chazanoff joining us here with Beebe Healthcare. And I mean, how are you guys liking Epic so far?
Well, we love Epic. You know, it's been something that we have been planning for almost 5 years, if you think about the evolution of it. And remember, Epic is the electronic medical record system that runs all of it, but it is MyChart that patients see every single day.
So the system, how is it sort of performing within the community? I mean, Dr. Tam, you just kind of hinted at it, that people are signing up and they're enjoying it.
We are getting great feedback. We have had patient, community member testimonials about how they can literally pick up their phone and see their history all in one application. Huge. They're able to use that to also show their physicians, their nurses about things that have also happened at other places.
That's huge.
So it is really important for our community to have that, but also for our team members to be able to have that type of information at their hand. It has already advanced care in the 7 days that we've been live with Epic.
I was gonna ask you, you know, from the provider side, is there a huge advantage to being able to see, you know, a patient's medical history? Because sometimes, especially when you have sort of a hyper specialized problem and you have to see this doctor over here and you have to see that doctor over there, and I mean, sometimes the communication between doctors is minimal, and so a patient can be walking in thinking that you guys have all the information and you don't. So does this help just bring all of that together?
So Epic has a functionality that links other Epic communities together. So not only does it link here in Sussex County, but it links significant major organizations in our region together. So if someone was receiving care in Philadelphia, there's a good chance that we're able to pull those records without having to go the traditional route of requesting medical records through a paper form, having them faxed to us. We literally click a button and that information is at the fingertips, making clinical decision making as best as it possibly can be.
What else do you want our community to know about Epic and MyChart before we let you go?
So first, we're not done with implementation. You know, Bill has been the lead on doing this with several other executives, and we are only in day, 6?
Yeah, day 7.
Day 7 of a 17-day cycle of launch. So if we look tired, we look a little bleary-eyed, we have been literally on 24 hours off and on. But we continue to do this because it's a way for us to continue to improve the system. You need to know, and I hope I can say this to the community, that you know, as we've grown, we've done all the things we needed to do to get Epic going. But the first couple days are always a little rough as you start a new system, as our staff learns a new system. And so I want to say I'm sorry to the people who did have to wait a little bit and had to kind of go through the process. But it's all working out now. Speeds have increased to the point where there's no longer a significant wait in several places. As executives, we've been everywhere watching that on a daily basis, and we're really excited about what the future of Epic will be.
Anything else to add, Dr. Chazanoff, that you want people to know about Epic or MyChart, or encouraging people to sign up?
Please sign up for MyChart. MyChart not only provides the information in your hands with your cell phone, but it also will speed up your registration process as you check into our labs, our primary care offices, our specialty offices. It actually makes you feel more a part of your care than you have before.
So, you know,
there you go, he pulled it right up.
It's very easy to do. You can sign up, go on the Beebe Healthcare website, right, and sign up. There is some authentication process because it's your medical
there
information.
Ought to be some authentication,
we want to make sure, right? But you can get everything, all the stuff. We were here last year, remember when I had my stroke?
Yes.
And you know, we talked about me going to Jefferson and then coming back here. All that information is in here now. So if you go to Baltimore, if you go to Philadelphia, or if you get care in Florida, That information is now in the palm of your hand with Beebe MyChart. And that's really exciting for doctors, nurses, as well as patients.
Yeah, thank you guys so much, Dr. Tam, Dr. Trasanoff, for being here with us today on CoastLife. Thank you guys for staying up and spending the last however many hours implementing Epic and keeping this thing running, and what you guys are doing for our community. We appreciate it.
Yeah, we really appreciate the support of the community. And I have to take a shout out because there are literally thousands. Everybody at Beebe has been trained. Housekeepers, food service workers, everybody has worked to do this. Yeah. And it is a community effort to support the community.
That's fantastic. Well, our community appreciates it. So thank you guys again for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course. Coming up on CoastLife, though, it's a busy town, that of Lewis, and they've got a lot going on for the rest of 2025. And we're also going to be looking ahead to 2026 for those plans. That's on the way.